Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a Poundland haul. I know for some of you this is your favourite shop. I know I always love watching Poundland videos, and I'd not been in for a while, so it's good to see some new items in there. And this is what we've got. It's massive. I think I'm going to have to split this into two hauls because I've got so much stuff. And in fact, I actually did two separate trips, over quite a period of time actually. So I just kept it all back and now I can show you it. So let's start with the reusable bags from Poundland. And for some reason, up until recently, the designs have been pretty naff. And I don't know why, because it's easy to put a nicer design, isn't it? Anyway, I saw this one on another YouTuber's channel and I thought, that is so pretty. Wouldn't that be nice if you needed to sort of give someone, it's not a gift bag, but you know, if you put some gifts in a gift bag within it, or whatever, say you were giving someone some clothes or something. I just think that is, as well as being able to use it, I just think that's a really nice design. Yeah, so for £1, I was really pleased with that. Next, I'm going to show you a few items that I got for my little nephew, with Easter coming up, and it's his birthday soon in May. And I also send him quite a lot of goodies. If you've been here a while, you know I do send stuff probably every month to my family so they can give it to him. And I thought I'd get him a few books. So he's just getting into colouring. So I thought this one looked nice, and it's got the added bonus of some stickers. So the pictures actually are quite detailed. So I'm wondering actually, I think what I might do with that one, I might hold that back for a little while because I think that's going to be too old for him at the moment. But look, what drew me to it was all these beautiful stickers inside. And they're all pictures of things like tractors and trucks and vehicles. So yeah, lovely for £1. That's for you, Dre. And also for Dre, I used to love the Mr. Men. And I know my brother did as well. And when he was a little baby, my brother used to read a Mr. Man book to him every night. But I think, I don't know if they ended up with a collection or whether that's stopped. But when I saw these, I thought, Mr. Men, I'm going to get these. So these are actually colouring books. So they've got a story as well as they go through them. And then you also get some stickers in these too. Where are they? I can't find them. There they are at the front. And during the book, you just stick them in different places as well. This one, actually, these I will send to him now because they have got less detailed pictures to colour in. And also my brother will be able to give him a little story. So these, the RRPs on these are £5.99. So in Poundland, £1. And what I'll do, everything is going to be £1 unless I tell you otherwise. And they had loads of different ones of these. So I think they would make a very nice present. You know, for if you've got children and you go around, you know, when you go to the different parties, you could get a couple of those, some nice pens, put them in a little pencil case or something. I think that would make a lovely gift. Going to do some food items next. Yummy. 2 bags of these. So these are the mini Jammy Dodger packets. I've got a pack for me and a pack to send home for, probably for Dre or my mum. 88 calories per pack, and you get 6 packs in there for your £1, and you get 4 little mini Dodgers per pack. Great snacks they are, very tasty. Then on that theme, something similar, mini digestives. Again, you get 6 packs in here. These are going to be for Dre. They've got little sort of pictures within them. I was trying to get hold of the mini gingerbread men, but I couldn't find any, so these will have to do. So I hope he enjoys them. But for anybody else who wants them, they are 94 calories per bag. You get, as I said, 6 packs in there. So yeah, again, they're a really nice little snack as well. He loves these pasta and sauces, so I've got a couple of these. He's not tried that one before. Smokey cheese and pancetta. And then this one was a new one he tried recently and he loves it. So I've got 2 more of those, and that's roast chicken and bacon. So I actually have these myself as well. How they're supposed to serve 2 people. How on earth one of those fills 2 people, I do not know. So different calories are, yeah, they're about 400 and something per pack. So I often have those, make that up, and then I'll have a big side salad with it. And yeah, they're very tasty. I like them a lot. These are Alan, my husband's favourites, and I'm actually partial to them as well. These are the butter Mintos. These are really nice sweets. They're like almost a caramel mint, I can only describe them as. But you get a lot in there. So I tend to buy these from Aldi a lot, and they're a little bit cheaper, but you don't get as many in there. It's 220 grams, so that's a nice big bag full of those. So I did actually buy 3 bags, but he's already destroyed 2 of them, so I've only got 1 left. I thought these looked a decent thing to purchase. We usually use the Tesco hay fever tablets, but I thought just as an emergency I'm going to get these. They have the 2 different, I don't know if you're aware if you've got hay fever, there's different types of medication. These are the, I think it's pronounced loratadine, I think. And I think Alan and I need that in our medication, whereas the other one, I can't remember the name of it. I'll pop it in on the video now. So if you've got hay fever, you need to sort of work out which side of the coin you are as to which tablets you need, which will work best for you. So you get 30 in there for £1. That's very, very good value. Whether they're very strong, I don't know. They are 10 milligram tablets, but I should compare those to the Tesco one ingredient-wise to see if they're as strong as those. But I thought as an emergency, they're great to have in the cupboard. So a few clothes next. I went in to have a look for some bits for Dre and for my mum to send back home. So this next item was for her, but it's far too small. Why I bought it, I don't know. So I think my mum is sort of a medium size. And this was only a size 8, but it looked really big, so I thought it'd be okay. But when I got it home and tried it on, even though it looks quite wide, you you tie it up with a belt. So I tried it on just to see. Mum's got quite a much bigger bust than I have. And I thought it's going to be a little bit tight. And I tell you what as well, the arms are quite tight, but it means I can keep it. So it's really nice. It's like a 2 different striped design, and because it's a bit longer, it'll cover the old bot, and then it's got the belt that snatches it in as well. So this should have been £8, and it was in the sale for £4. So you may well see me on another video in the future wearing that. But yeah, I thought that was really nice for £4. It's a lovely material, quite lightweight, and a soft sort of wool. So my mum absolutely loves the Capri length leggings from Primark, but obviously because Primark's been closed during lockdown, not being able to get her any. So in Poundland, in Pep & Co, what did I spy? Some Capri length leggings. So I've already sent her 2 pairs of these in navy, and she's going to be delighted when I found some in black. So these were only £2.50. So for most people they'll be quite long, but Mum's only 4'11", so they just go down, I think she said just past her calf, and she likes the material of them. She likes to wear them slightly baggy. So yeah, I've already sent her 2 pairs of navy, and I've got 2 pairs of black for her now, so she's going to be well chuffed with those. And I always ask if there's anything that Dre actually needs. I tend to, I'll pop a picture of him in now so you can see him. So they do tend to send me photographs of him. I asked for photos when I've bought him some clothes, and if he wears them, could I have a photo of it to see what he looked like. So I bought those bits for him as well. He's turning into a little boy now, isn't he? He's such a good looking little thing. So I said to Mum and my brother, is there anything that he needs at the moment? So he's had a bit of a growing spurt, and he's sort of in between sizes. I've been sending him 18 to 24 months, but he's 2 in a few months now. And Mum says in some stuff he needs an age 2. So he's outgrown a lot of the stuff I've already bought him. So we've gone up in size. So she said she needed some pyjamas and some joggers, if I could get any. So post-haste went down to Poundland, because there's not many other places you can get stuff from at the moment, clothing-wise, and they didn't let me down. Got these. These are really cute. Look at those on the knees. They've got little lions. So these were age 2 to 3, or are age 2 to 3, and these were £3. So I thought they'd be nice for him. They look so much bigger. Suddenly I'm not buying the little cute tiny clothes anymore because he's getting older. But yeah, I thought they were really sweet. And then these are slightly thinner, whereas they're quite a thick jogger. These will be nice actually for the spring, summer, because they're not as heavy duty. But thought those were rather nice. He's got quite a lot of stuff in these different colours anyway, and he suits the camouflage type of design. These ones were only £2. I think it's because they're a bit thinner, but they're nice. The problem with this print sometimes, it can look a little bit faded, but that is a decent quality print. And then just a plain black pair. They were £3. I think they do these up in boy sizes as well, not just little children's or babies. And they're a slim fit jogger. We like to keep him looking trendy. And to go with that, I got this little top, which I thought was delightful. It's a little Mickey Mouse even. Don't want Minnie Mouse, that's for girls, isn't it? And I thought, if need be, I couldn't get any pyjamas. They didn't have any blimmin' pyjamas anywhere in his size. So I thought at a pinch you could wear the joggers with the top, because this is only very thin. It's just like t-shirt material. And that one was £3. So for an actual official Disney top, that is a very decent price, because I can bet you in actual Disneyland you'd pay a fortune for that. But as a little outfit, I thought that'd be rather splendid. And then finally for Dre in the clothing section, he's got a thing at the minute about sharks. He was obsessed with dinosaurs. He's now moved over to sharks. This is a vest with a great big shark on it. Look at that. So again, I got that 2 to 3. That was £1.50. I mean, come on, that's very good. Good price, isn't it? It's pretty decent quality as well. It's just like a t-shirt material, but hopefully it'll love that. A few food items next. I've actually munched most of this one, I'm afraid. Sorry. I kept seeing this on other people's hauls, and I thought, I love mini eggs. I love Cadbury. It's a match made in heaven for me, and I've eaten most of it already. It is rather delicious actually. So it's just like dairy milk chocolate with tiny little eggs, sort of. In fact, they're not like eggs. They're a different. The shells are slightly different to the normal mini eggs, but they're almost like little M&Ms within them. So yeah, £1. Is that expensive for a bar of chocolate now? I'm not sure. No, they are about £1, aren't they? But yeah, that's rather scrummy. I eat a lot of these at work after my lunch to go with the skinny whips. Just a little dairy milk bar. They're just under 100 calories per bar, and you get 6 in there. And then the skinny whips, I won't go on about those because I covered them a lot on different videos, but I bought 4 boxes of those. 2 packs of these, one to be sent back to the family. Love these. They've got a lovely little coating on them. I don't know what it is. It's some sort of sugar. But yeah, I really like these. They're so Moorish. And what I do, I eat these. I've got a thing about eating things in 5s now. So any sweets I have, I'll have 5. So 5 flumps it will be. 2 little packets of these Domio mini meatballs. These are really nice. If you're after a quick snack, boil up some pasta, pop one of these in the microwave, stick it on the top. Yum yum, Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your aunt. I think in Tesco they're about £1.50, so in Poundland that's quite a saving, isn't it? But yeah, really quick, easy lunch or dinner. Thank you very much. So that's that haul over. Hope you've enjoyed that one. I'm very pleased with those bits that I've bought there. A few different items as well. And I hope you're all right with me covering food in these hauls. I know some people don't like seeing food, but some people do. So I'm not doing food specific, but I will cover a bit of food. So if you're not already a subscriber, maybe you might consider hitting the subscription button down below. You don't have to pay. And if you've enjoyed that video, please do give me a thumbs up, because that helps with the YouTube algorithms. And always drop me a comment down below, because I'll always write back to you. I love it when you make comments on my videos. Yeah, it's a nice way of knowing that you're sort of... Well, it's good to hear your feedback, and I love hearing if you've bought anything on my recommendation. So I'm going to leave you there with that one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on another one soon. Bye for now.